Hi! Do you suffer from a snoring partner? My poor babe used to eat my ribs every night in order to make me roll and stop snore. But now, with 3 exercises I do every day, I barely snore and my babe doesn't hit me anymore. Number 1. Lion roar. Sit in lion pose, inhale, stick your tongue out and growl. You can also do it on a chair or in easy pose. Exercise number 2, pumping breath. In this one, I exhale rapidly through my nose and pumping my belly in at the same time. P.S. This technique is not for everyone. If you're gonna try it, please check online. Psst, psst. Share this video with your snoring partner. Exercise number 3, alternate breathing. Close one nostril with your thumb, then inhale deeply through the open one. Now, close it with your pinky, move your thumb, and exhale through the open one. Bam! Snore no more. My friend, share this video with your snoring partner so you can enjoy snore-free nights and he will save a rib or two. And remember, do yoga. It just makes life better. Ciao!